All right, guys, we got a 2022 Silverado LT 6.6 liter gas engine. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Way too quiet. There's the sound decibels on it. Not even 90. Again. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do to make it loud. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounds like before. 2022 2500 HD. Only got 300 miles on it. Brought it right to us. He's a good friend of mine. We do all his cars, so. What we got done on it for him? These trucks come with 3 massive converters. One there, and one there. Dreaded third cat that everybody hates. Then it's got 3.5-inch pipe all the way down. Then it goes down to 3-inch for the muffler. We'll show you guys the muffler. The muffler is massive on it. So we took it off and ran 3-inch pipe in its place. Then it goes back to 3.5-inch out the back into the tailpipe. Right there, as you guys can see. And there's that massive muffler. Look how many bricks it takes. It takes 4 bricks, so it's huge. You guys, look, just for comparison, I got a big hands too. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 handsfuls. It's huge. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. That's not bad. That's perfect. They even refined it more with the tailpipe. There's sound decibels. Again. 107. We should have slapped a tip on it. We should have put a tip on it. Yeah, use it up a little bit.
Black to match it?
Yeah, black. What do you guys think? Should I sell my Ram and buy one of these? He says I should. It's a big yes. 6.6 liter beast. Listen to that thing purr. Wow. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, that's perfect. Enjoy, guys.